Service Basics Garage Doors brings you their replacement and repair services for your garage door spring which may be broken. Service Basics Garage Doors is committed to providing you with exceptional services in different cities across the United States. They are comprised of a group of investors and experienced garage door technicians and experts. They focus their work exclusively on the repair and replacement of garage doors and its components. A poorly working or broken door spring can be serious enough to prevent you from going out of or getting into your house or apartment. According to them, garage door springs are under constant attack from rust, corrosion, electric surges, bad weather, and other factors. When a small part of the door is affected, Service Basics Garage Doors recommend that it is immediately repaired or replaced. For more information visit servicebasics.com.